Hi, good day everybody. Today we are going to discuss on getting started with EndNote. This is MQB7001 research method. Hi, I'm Professor Dr. Victor Ho from the Department of Social and Preventive Medicine, Faculty of Medicine, University Malaya. What is bibliography? Bibliography comes from the Greek word bibliographia, literally means book writing. As a discipline, it's traditionally the academic study of books as physical and cultural object. In this sense, is known as Bibliology. Cater and Baker describe bibliography as a twofold scholarly discipline that organizes listing of books, enumerative bibliography, and the systematic description of books as physical object, descriptive bibliography. However, today we are not going to delve into the science of bibliography or the discipline of bibliography. We are just going to use bibliography as a tool to assist us in writing our research proposal, research project, and also research paper. Let us go delve into bibliography software. There are several types of bibliography software available. We would just discuss with you few of the bibliography software. So the bibliography software that's available includes tools like EndNote, Mendeley, Zotero, and RefWork. They actually manages references, store citation data, and generate bibliographies. It critically for saving time and maintaining an academic integrity. The main thing is time saving, as it automates citation formatting. It is accurate and reduces error in referencing and citation. It works to organize your references, including keep track of your PDF, notes, and also metadata. And also it acts as a collaborative tool for you to share references and libraries with your peers and of course your supervisors. What are the common features of this software? Again, the references, storage, organization. So they store their data in databases or libraries. They generate citation, automatic style formatting like APA or Harvard. They import and export. You can import and export from these databases and also to other software, and it is integrated. Most of it is integrated with plugins for Microsoft Word and Google Docs, and you can use it as a collaborative tool to share folders, notes, and annotation. We are going to talk about three of the most common bibliography software that is used. The first is Mendeley. It's a free with a premium option. It is PDF annotation, special network, or researcher. Then we have Zotero, which is a free open source browser extension, robust library management. And then we have EndNote, which is commercial license, extensive feature. You get it free as a student of University Malaya. Let us delve more in depth into each of those three software to provide you with an idea of what features they offer. We start with Mendeley. Mendeley actually offers PDF annotation and organization. It offers cloud sync and mobile access. It is a collaborative and social network. It offers citation plugin, also free with paid option, which offers free storage, and Playpen for larger cloud storage and added features. Zotero is open source and free for download. It integrates with your browser. It has flexible organization, and it has several plugin and styles, and which you can customize. It also can be used as a collaborative tool and also sync and cloud. Of course, the storage size, if you want bigger storage, then you have to pay for it. Now let's just move on to EndNote. EndNote have compressed this feature offered considerable industrial standard for research-heavy projects with extensive library organization and advanced search filter option. They have large-style databases, has thousands of built-in citation style, making it easy to comply with journal and publisher requirement. It has the tool which is called Cite While You Write, integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Word, also supports integration with Pages on Mac OS. There's also a desktop and online version. The desktop version is feature-rich but requires license, and the online version offers free basic functionality. And its robust handling of complex projects, includes tools that manage large library duplication, import, export, and a variety of sources. And of course, it's free for University Malaya students. So how does this program work? This program works by either you importing or you manually entering data onto the program from information from journal paper, website, books, and also idle publication, where the information is then transmitted to the database and stored in the database, or sometimes called libraries. And after that, when you need it, you can actually continue and transform it to your formatted references as you see fit, depending on which journal or thesis or university projects that you're working on. So you actually can change the formatting style. So the main thing that it is, the data are stored in a database, which means that it can be retrieved, it can be reformatted, it can come in many forms depending on what is needed. Where can I get EndNote? EndNote is free for all University Malaya students. This is the QR code where you can download EndNote. After you have downloaded EndNote, you need to unzip the download file or extract it. After you have extract or unzip the file, open the EndNote folder and click on the installation file. It will automatically install to your computer. Note that if you do not extract or unzip the folder, it will ask you for an installation key. So you need to unzip first before you install. Thank you, and hope you enjoy using EndNote for your research.